In this tutorial, I just want to talk a bit about the text join function in Excel. So the text join function in Excel is a function that allows you to join various pieces of text into one with a delimiter such as a space or a dash or a comma between each piece of text. Now, I know what you're thinking, well, why is the text join function not the concat function? Well, the text join function, like what I'm going to show you, allows you to put delimiters between each piece of text much easier. So to use this function, you just do equals text join, open parentheses. So the first argument is the limiter. So what do you want to have between each piece of text in quotation marks? Let's just say in this example, I want dash between each piece of text. Next comma, next argument, ignore empty. So what do you want to do with cells that are empty? Do you want to, you can type in true if you want to ignore these cells, or you can type in false if you want to include them. And the function ignores, it defaults to being true to ignore empty cells. So, and then comma, what text do you want to do the text join function on? Well, you can just hide the range of cells, and then close parentheses, you do enter. And as you can see, now there's a dash between the first name, last name, and the year born. And copying and pasting this down, as you can see, right here is great because not only is there a delimiter between each piece of text, but as you can see right here, it ignores the empty cell. But just to show you what it looks like if we change this to false to include the empty cell, as you can see, it doesn't change the first one, but the third one down that has the empty cell has two dashes in it, instead of just one, because it is not ignoring the empty cell. So that's awesome. But what if you wanted to have two different delimiters in your same function? Well, this is really cool because you can nest the text join function inside of a concat function if you want to have two different delimiters between the different pieces of text. So let's just say we wanted to have a dash between the first name and the last name of the city, but we wanted to have a comma between the states, for example. Well, to do this, we can equals concat, open parentheses. The first text, you're going to type text join, open parentheses. So first, what delimiter do we have at first, right? We want to dash for the first few pieces. Do you want to ignore empty cells? Sure, why not? What text do you want to have spaces between? Well, the first three pieces. Now close parentheses, comma, and then now what do you want to concat? Well, I'm just going to throw in a space between the two pieces, or a a space. Sorry, trying to think about what I want for a second. And then text join for the last two pieces. Text join. What delimiter do we want? We want to have a comma. What do we do with empty cells? Well, we can ignore them. And what text we want to do the text join function on? Well, the last two pieces. And then now, as you can see, this is great because we have two different delimiters using text join and the concat function. A dash between the first name, last name of the year, a space, and then a second delimiter between the city and the state. So this is awesome because it makes you to where you can do this much more dynamically, much more flexibly, and with ease. So hope you found this to be insightful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.